Looking for an efficient and hassle-free dumpster rental in Prairieville, Louisiana? Look no further than Morales Roll-Off Dumpster Rentals. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing a major construction project, we have the right dumpster size for you. At Morales Roll-Off Dumpster Rentals, we've made the process of renting a dumpster as simple and convenient as possible. Just give us a call, and we'll take care of the rest, delivering the dumpster to your location when you need it. We handle the heavy lifting so you can stay focused on completing your project efficiently and stress-free. Our experienced team will guide you in choosing the right dumpster size, and we offer quick delivery and easy pickup. With Morales Roll-Off Dumpster Rentals, you'll have a smooth and worry-free waste disposal experience, knowing you're in capable hands. We're dedicated to your satisfaction, offering responsive and reliable service every step of the way. Ready to get started? Call Morales Roll-Off Dumpster Rentals today at 225-427-0000 or visit our website at www.moralesrolloffs.com. Dumpster Rental Prairieville, LA for more information. Morales Roll-Off Dumpster Rentals, where reliability meets affordability for all your Prairieville dumpster rental needs.